From the bustling streets of Colombo, head 110 kilometers north and discover the enchanting town of Gampola. And from there, embark on a mesmerizing journey through lush green mountains and mist-laden valleys to the towering Ambuluwawa. Welcome to our channel. Rising above the central hills of Gampola stands one of Sri Lanka's most unique and breathtaking monuments, the Ambuluwawa Tower, located nearly 3,500 feet above sea level. This tower is not just an architectural wonder, but a beacon of unity, peace, and religious harmony. Perched atop a hill overlooking the Knuckles mountain range, the Ambuluwawa Biodiversity Complex is a harmonious blend of nature and spirituality. The ascent to this sanctuary is nothing short of a pilgrimage. As you wind your way through emerald green forests, the air grows cooler, the vegetation thicker, and the sounds of the city fade into the distant hum of nature. The journey itself is a sensory delight, a prelude to the visual spectacle that awaits at the summit. And then suddenly, as if emerging from a sea of green, the Ambuluwawa Tower comes into full view. This magnificent structure stands as a testament to human ingenuity and spiritual aspiration. Its tall spiral shape twists upwards like a giant white flame, reaching 48 meters high. The tower is not just a symbol of unity, but a unifying force bringing people of different faiths together. The design of the Ambuluwawa Tower is both innovative and awe-inspiring. Its spiral form, reminiscent of a conch shell or a flame, symbolizes the interconnectedness of all life and the upward journey of the human spirit. As you gaze upon its towering presence, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder and appreciation for the architects who dared to dream big. Now let's talk about what makes this tower truly special. At the top, the view is simply breathtaking. Imagine standing 48 meters above the ground, the wind gently caressing your face, and the vast expanse of Sri Lanka's natural beauty unfolding before your eyes. On a clear day, you can see the majestic mountains of Knuckles, the sacred Sri Pada, Adam's Peak, and even the ancient city of Kandy. It feels as if the entire island is at your feet. The panoramic vista from Ambuluwawa is a feast for the eyes and a humbling experience for the soul. But that's not all. Ambuluwawa is more than just a tower. It is a celebration of Sri Lanka's cultural diversity. Within the complex, a Buddhist temple, a Hindu kovil, a mosque, and a Christian church stand side by side, each a testament to the island's rich heritage. This architectural marvel serves as a powerful reminder of the coexistence of various religions and cultures in Sri Lanka. It is a symbol of unity and diversity, where differences are not just tolerated but embraced. As you explore the grounds of Ambuluwawa, you'll also encounter a rich variety of flora and fauna. The complex is home to over 200 species of plants, including endemic and endangered varieties. The surrounding hills are covered in lush vegetation, providing a habitat for a variety of birds and butterflies. It's a sanctuary for nature lovers and a haven for those seeking tranquility. In conclusion, Ambuluwawa is not just a destination, it is an experience. A visit to this remarkable site is a journey of discovery, a chance to witness the beauty of Sri Lanka's natural and cultural heritage. The towering presence of the Ambuluwawa Tower, the panoramic vistas, the harmonious blend of religious sites, and the lush natural surroundings come together to create an unforgettable experience. If you find yourself in Sri Lanka, we highly recommend taking a trip to Ambuluwawa. It is a place that will stay in your memory long after you've returned home. We have included time-starved travelers, families, honeymooners, and anyone else who may be interested in exploring the hidden gems of Sri Lanka. So join us as we continue to uncover the wonders of this beautiful island. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. See you soon.